Hi, so basically I've kind of accidentally kept the camera for a lot longer than I was supposed to. So I thought I would do an extra video before I gave it back so that people could see how my nose looked after, it's probably been just over 2 months now. And so I can talk about more of the longer term recovery experience. So as you can see, it's healed so well. I've got the little swoop that I was after and it looks so much slimmer. You can see that it's now defined here and I can't express how happy I am with it. I'm just completely over the moon. It's the best decision I've ever made. Throughout the first week, even after having the cast off, kept crying after seeing it. But it just looks like part of my face now. No one would know I've had a nose job, nothing at all. Like even the scar, you can't see it. And the past 2 months have actually been so much easier than I thought they would be. So obviously I detailed the first 2 weeks. So with the cast on, which was obviously the most difficult week, not being able to breathe properly. And then that first week having it off where you obviously feel quite delicate still, but you can see the results straight away even with the swelling that's there, so you're obviously quite happy. And after that, I have to say I was quite surprised with how easy everything was. I think my main worry actually going into having this done wasn't that I wasn't going to be happy with the results, because I felt completely confident with Dr. Silva and what he was going to do. And obviously I was nervous about the surgery itself, but my main worry was how I was going to be afterwards, like whether I was going to be really overly aware of everything around me and really worried and self-conscious of things hitting my face or knocking it or ruining it in any way. And I didn't feel like that at all. You actually feel really secure. I was popping to the shops in second and third week, not doing anything strenuous. And then met up with my friends, went to Oxford for the weekend. They were all so impressed with how it looked. And again, out and about in public, felt fine. You don't feel aware of it in any way, it just feels like part of your face. Again, no pain. And then at the 4-week mark after the surgery, I was due to fly to New York, starting my new job. And that was my main worry, how it would be on a flight and in a different country. Obviously I'd be going back to a 9-to-5 working routine, out in the evening meeting new people. How was it going to feel? How was it going to be? What if someone knocked me? And I almost forgot I'd had it done, because it feels normal, the feelings come back. And I was out, I went to a few bars, absolutely no issues at all. Obviously be careful, so I wasn't about to start hitting the gym really hard or doing anything overly crowded and active, but I had a little dance, it was fine. And again, it was so nice starting this new chapter of my life with the kind of new me, and I felt so much more confident. And this is going to sound so shallow, but just being in a picture and smiling and not thinking, oh look at the person on that nose, it's just complete positive experience. I do not have anything to say which to put anyone off doing this. It was such a smooth process, so much smoother than I could have expected. And yeah, I'm commuting up to London every day now with the new job. Absolutely no issues at all. Back at the gym to my normal routine. And again, no, I was again worried about overexerting myself or knocking it, but that's been absolutely fine. So yeah, just wanted to say very happy with everything and show you how it looked now, and with a bit of makeup and hair. So just wanted to say once again, big thank you to Dr. Silva and the whole team, because I'm very happy.